This is a view of a solar flare unlike that you've probably ever seen before. Most movies of solar flares you see are from the NASA spacecraft called the Solar Dynamics Observatory, which observes the full sun in about 4K by 4K resolution. But the problem with the Solar Dynamics Observatory is that it doesn't observe any part of the sun with particularly high resolution, and so we don't see flares with that much detail. And beyond that, images are often saturated as well. By the way, this flare is from last year. It was an X9 class flare, the largest solar flare we've seen since 2017. What makes this flare particularly important is that we have observations to zoom closer in. If we zoom in on this little red square in these images, what we see instead is a view from a different NASA spacecraft called IRIS. IRIS observes the sun, just a very small tiny part of the flare, but at very high resolution. Because the field of view is so small, it's actually very challenging to get observations like this. But we caught them for this flare. And you can see those flare ribbons, as they're called, sweeping across the surface of the sun. And at the end of this movie here, you can see what we call coronal rain, where plasma is flowing back down to the surface. Absolutely breathtaking. I never get tired of looking at these.